Want to build a micro SaaS idea in just 7 days and start making between $500 and $1,000 in monthly recurring revenue quickly? Today, I'm sharing 5 proven ideas that you can build and monetize fast. And you don't even need to spend time validating them because they've already been validated by other people. Stick around till the end of the video and I'll show you 5 proven strategies that guarantees traction. And if you don't know me, my name is Andy, and over the past 3 years, me and my team have helped more than 50 SaaS founders build and grow products and quickly scaled them for $5, $10, and even $20,000 in monthly recurring revenue without burning out or overcomplicating the process. Truth be told, we've even applied some of our strategies to help larger companies grow by tens of millions of dollars. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. So without any further ado, let's dive into the first idea. While everyone's building the 47th AI writing assistant, smart founders are making $30,000 a month or more solving very specific regulatory headaches that keep business owners awake at night. The secret? New regulations create immediate, urgent problems with clear deadlines and real penalties. Business owners will pay premium prices for simple solutions that help them avoid $10,000 fines. Here are 5 micro SaaS ideas you can build this weekend using existing APIs and basic logic. First, Corporate Transparency Act status tracker. The problem? The Corporate Transparency Act keeps changing rules. Business owners are confused about filing deadlines, penalty amounts, and whether they even need to comply. The solution, though, a simple checker where users enter their business details and get clear yes or no on whether they need to file, exact deadline for their situation, step-by-step compliance checklist, penalty calculator if they're already late. And why does it work? Penalties are really a headache for a lot of businesses, especially things that you could avoid, right? So if business owners are paying a nominal fee to avoid paying those penalties, business owners will gladly pay that. So there's a 24-hour build process for that. You can use existing business database APIs, create a simple decision trees, if this, then that, add Stripe checkout. The second one is a multi-state privacy law compliance calculator. The problem here, 8 new state privacy laws launched in 2025 alone here in the US. Each has different revenue threshold, data requirements, and penalties. Small businesses have no idea which laws apply to them. So the solution here is if you input your business details, revenue, states you operate in, types of data collected, and get in return which privacy laws apply to your business, specific compliance requirements for each, timeline and cost estimates, risk assessments if you do nothing, which is a huge thing. And why does this ultimately work? Because privacy laws are getting complicated. It's getting really distributed across different jurisdictions. And the fines can even reach millions of dollars, which is hefty. Even the possibility of non-compliance creates maximum anxiety for business owners. So, similar to the one previously, you can create decision matrix matching business characteristics. You can match business characteristics to law requirements. Use Stripe for payments, basic React front end. The third is AI usage audit tool for small businesses. The problem here, guys, think about it. New AI governance requirements are rolling out. Businesses using AI tools need to document usage, assess risks, and prove compliance. Most have no idea what they're using or the risks involved. So the solution, scan a business's tech stack and provide inventory of all AI tools being used, risk assessment for each tool, compliance gap analysis, and documentation templates for audits. And why this actually works. AI audits are becoming mandatory for government contracts and insurance. Get ahead of the requirement. That's your call to action to business owners. Fourth, restaurant labor law compliance tracker. Restaurant labor laws change constantly at city, state, and federal levels. Minimum wage is one of those. Scheduling requirements, break laws, tip regulations, no tax on tips. Owners can't keep up. Enter your restaurant location and get current labor law requirements for each location, upcoming changes and deadlines, violation risk assessment, staff scheduling and compliance checker. Labor law violations cost restaurants thousands in fines plus legal fees, and restaurants already get a super small margin. So this prevents expensive mistakes. The last one, number 5, is federal contractor security compliance checker. Small businesses bidding on federal contracts need to meet complex cybersecurity requirements. Small businesses bidding on federal contracts need to meet complex cybersecurity requirements. CMMC and IST frameworks. Most have no idea if they're compliant. So the solution here is uploading current security best practices and get gap analysis against required frameworks, step-by-step remediation plan, cost estimates for compliance, timeline to meet requirements, and why does it work? Federal contractors are worth millions of dollars if you get it. It's hard to get it, but once you get it, it's worth a lot for your business. So companies will pay a significant money to ensure that they don't get disqualified from really dumb mistakes. That's worth it. And to conclude everything, there's a pattern to this, right? Real urgency, deadlines, and penalties create immediate need for businesses. Specific problems, not vague productivity issues, but these are specific. I can solve X, Y, or Z based on the circumstances. Most often, these are underserved markets because there's no simple solutions that exist for small businesses. Clear value props, avoid X fine, win X contract. Those are very clear for the business owners to make that decision. And if you do it right, this can be built really quickly. Last thing before I part, here are ways to find your own opportunities. First, search for current year business compliance requirements or state new business laws based on the year. Look through Reddit posts in our small businesses where owners are confused about new regulations. Check if penalties, deadlines create urgencies. They usually do. Scope a solution using existing APIs and simple logic. The key insight, while everyone else builds AI chatbots, you're solving real problems with real deadlines that people pay premium prices to fix. So stop overthinking, start building. The best micro SaaS opportunities are sitting in plain sight, buried in boring government websites and frustrated business owner forum posts. Your competition is still trying to build ChatGPT for X. You'll be making money solving actual problems. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and you'll get more of these content. See you next time.